Hi folks, welcome back. I wanted to get back on here today and let you guys know that we are still here. In case you were wondering, because it's been a minute. We are still here. Things are still in the works. It has taken a lot longer than I anticipated to get things rolling. A couple of weeks ago, I started a post which was supposed to end with why it was okay for our garden to be dying. I have a few bits of that I'll post up here later this week. Basically, the gist of it is we're tired. It has been a ridiculous year. It's been our first garden year. It's been our first chicken year. It's been our first homestead year, period, really. Um, some things did spectacular, some things not so well. All of that is going into what I'm calling my homestead journal. um, I have a section in here. Actually, I've taken up two sections for the garden notes and two sections for the poultry. The first is chickens, and the other one will be other poultry. The main idea behind that is to find out what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, and then make adjustments. Another thing that's been going on lately, just to help catch you up, is I have been putting in job applications. I've graduated my schooling, and it is time, probably a little past time, for me to be putting in job applications to get the day job. So that's what I've been doing this week. I put in about 2 applications a day, and this morning I have an interview. And while I won't share what that interview is for or who it's with, I will just say I'm ridiculously excited that I even got this far. So, that's what's going on here on the homestead. You can catch me over on the Chasing the Muses channel later today. I will be putting up a video, and this video will pretty much be just a writing prompt and something to get us rolling over there on that channel. So I hope to see you over there. I hope you will subscribe. Things are going to get moving really fast here really soon. I know I say that a lot. Do I say that a lot? I say that a lot, don't I? And they are moving fast. I'm just not able to keep up at the moment with sharing all the things with you in such a timely manner as I want to. This is one of those things that I am working to improve on. I do hope that you'll stick with us. I hope that you'll subscribe. I hope that you'll hit that little like and the notification bell so that when we do get up and running on a regular basis, you get notified with all the new videos that we are doing. I hope to see you soon. Y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.